Some things in life are certain: death, taxes, and Arjen Robben cutting in onto his left foot and finding the corner.The top-level footballers all have their trademark moves, Robben's being a simple but effective one that he continues to use to devastating effect despite not getting any younger. His wand of a left peg is so wonderful that his opposite foot takes a backseat role. It's not quite for standing on, as he has used it on occasion, but it's easy to see why the Bayern Munich star doesn't use it too often. That's because last night, in a 6-0 rout over Paderborn, the former Chelsea and Real Madrid winger produced a horribly scuffed effort with his right when the ball dropped to him in the area. Robben was of course aiming for goal, but instead saw his miss-hit shot fall kindly for Kingsley Coman to open the scoring. But who needs a right foot when your left foot is as good as Robben's? The 34-year-old went on to bag 2 goals late in the game, including a sensational, archetypal effort from the edge of the box in the 86th minute.